Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I'm going to discuss about CBSE's syllabus and NCERT textbook case study problems which we handle in our daily life. So you'll be learning how to handle the situations in our daily life by studying this following cases. So we shall start here. This is a real number case studies. So here case study 1, it says to enhance the reading skills of grade 10 standard, the school nominates you and two of your friends to set up a class library. There are two sections, section A and section B of 10th standard, grade 10. There are 32 students in section A and 36 students in section B. So here, according to the situation, we have in section A, we have 32 students, and in section B, we have 36 students. So now they are asking, first we'll just find here the minimum number. Now what is the question they've given? They've given what is the minimum number of books you will acquire for the class library so that they will be distributed equally among students of section A and section B. So yeah, we will just find the minimum is nothing but we have to find the LCM, we have to find the HCF of the given number. So yeah, minimum will be LCM, maximum will be HCF. So we'll find here what is the LCM of this two number, that is the 2, 2 1 times, and here 2 carry 1, 2 6 times 12, 2 8 times 16, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, and 2 1 times. Then we go for 36. So 36 will be 2 1 times, 1 carry 2 8 times, then 2 9 times, and then 3 3 times, and then 3 1 time. So here we can see for A we have section A, we have, that is 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is nothing but we have 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5, 2 to the power of 5. Then you will go for section B. Section B will be 36. That will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So it will be 2 square into 3 square. So now we need to find the minimum number of student books which should be arranged in the class library. So here what we can do is we can here find LCM, that will be the maximum power of 2 is 2 power 5 into the maximum of 3 digit 3 is 3 square. So it will be 32 into 16, 32 into 9, 32 into 9. So we have 32 into 9 will be 288. So minimum is nothing but finding the LCM of the given number. Then moving with the next question, we have the product of the two positive integers. The product of the two positive integer, let it say A and B, is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Yeah, this is a formula which we have. Now is given the HCF of 32 and 36. We have to find the HCF of 36 and 32. 32 and 36. So 32 is 2 power 5 and 36 is 2 square into 3 square. What is mean by HCF? HCF is nothing but lowest common highest common factor. So here we have to find the factor that is the lowest degree of 2 we have to consider. So what is the lowest degree we have? It is 2 square, that is 4, and we don't have anything common here with 3, so we'll just take the common element which is present in 32 and 36, that will be 4. So here 4 is the answer, and here it is 288. So moving on with the next one, we have 36 is expressed in the form of 2 square into 3 square. So that is first answer. Then next one is 7 into 11. 7 into 11 into 13 into 15 plus 15 is a dash. That is, it is a prime number. Is it a prime number or composite number? Neither prime nor composite nor of the above. None of the above. So prime number is the number which can be divisible by itself and 1. And composite numbers are the numbers which can be divisible by more than one table. So none of the prime or composite nor none of the above. So we have to see 7 into 11 into 13 into 15 plus 15. So here we can see 15 is common. We'll take 15 common out. So it will become 7 into 11 into 13 plus 1. So yeah, it is 15 into 7 into 11 is 77 into 13 plus 1. So we can write this as 15 into, that will be, if you multiply this, we'll get 1001 plus 1. So now that will be 15 15 into 1002. So now just to do simple, we can write it as 1000, 10,000, 1000 plus 2. Split the 10, right? 15 into 1000 is 15,000 plus 15 into 2 is 30. So when you add this to 1500, it's not 15,000, 1500. So it is 15,000 plus 30, that will be 15030. So the answer is, it's a multiple. We can see here it's a multiple of numbers. You can see here only it's a multiple of the number. Therefore, we can say this is a multiple. It goes in two tables, so it is a composite number. So next one, moving with the next question, we have, if P, Q are positive integers such that P is AB square and Q is A square B, then find the LCM of this. LCM is nothing but finding the higher power of the given term. So for A, what is the higher power? Higher power is A square. Then into, what is the higher power for B? It is B square. So LCM is nothing but finding the highest power for the variables. So it is A square, B square. So now next one we have, next question is case 2. In case 2 it says a seminar is begin being conducted. A seminar is being conducted by an educational organization where the participant will be educators of different subjects. The number of participants in Hindi, English, and mathematics are 60, 84, 108 respectively. So, in each room, so here we have, here is Hindi, we have for Hindi. For Hindi, we have 60. For English, we have 84. And for maths, we have 108. So now, moving with the sub questions, we have, first one is, in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being the same subject. Hence, maximum number of participants that can accommodate in each room. Maximum is, you have to find the HCF of the given term. So we'll find the HCF for the given. So let me check it for 60. So 60 will be 2, 3 times 0, then 2, 15 times 30, then again 3, 5 times, and then 3, 5, 1 time. So yeah, 60 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 5. Then next one, if you take next one is 84. 84 can be written as 2 into 4, 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 and 1, and then again 3, 3 7 times, and then 7 1 times. So here we can write 84 as 2 into 2 square into 3 into 7. Then next one is 108. We'll find for 108, it is 108. So it is 2 5s are 10, 2 4 times, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, then 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. So it will be 2 square into 3 cube. So now we have to find the HCF. What is mean by HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. So here we have to find which is the highest, which is the lower power. We have to find maximum means we have to find a HCF. And HCF is nothing but finding the lowest power of variable, lowest power of the variable. Now we'll check for 2. What is the lowest power for 2? It is 2 square. So it is 2 square, and for 3 it is only 3. It's only 3. So it will be 2 square is 4. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So the answer is 12. Then next question is, what is the minimum number of rooms required during the event? So minimum number of room required in the minimum number of rooms required will be finding that will be taken as minimum rooms will be equal as participants total participants divided by HCF. So yeah, total first for we have Hindi. For Hindi we have 60 divided by 12. So 60 is how much? 5 rooms. Then for Hindi we want 5 rooms. Then English we have 84 participant and 12 in each room. That will be how many rooms? It will be 7 rooms. Then next one is math. For math we have 108 divided by 12, that is 9 rooms. So now we want to find the total number of rooms. So it will just add 9, 10, 16, 20, 21 rooms. So they require 21 rooms. That is your option D. Then moving with the next question, we have the LCM of 60, 84 and 104. So what is HCF? HCF here is the highest, that is the highest common factor. So yeah, we'll just see the highest power. The highest power will be here for all the three numbers we have is 2 square, then it is 3 cube, then what are the terms which are left? It is 5 and 7 into 5 into 7. So if you multiply, it will be 4 into 9 into 5 into 7. So if you multiply all this, we get 3780. Then the next question is, the product of HCF and LCM is, what is the product of HCF and LCM? You should just multiply product of HCF and LCM. HCF is LCM into HCF. So that will be 12 into 3780. So when you multiply this two, we get answer as 45360. 45360. Okay. Then 108 can be expressed in the prime factor as 108. 108 can be written as 2 square into 3 cube. 2 square into 3 cube. So it is 2 square into 3 cube. We have that will be last one. That is D. 2 square into 3 cube. So 108 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 square into 3 cube is the answer. Moving with the next question, we have case 3. A mathematics exhibition is being conducted in your school, and one of your friend is making a model of a factor tree. He has some difficulty and asked for your help in completing a quiz in the audience. Observe the following factor tree, and answer the following. So yeah, what is here? We have to just multiply 2783 into 5. So it will be 5 into 3 is 15, 5 is 40 plus 1 is 41, 5 35 plus 4 is 39, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have the answer for x will be 13915. Then you have to find, now we have to find what is y. How you find what is y? To find y, what we have to do is we have to just divide this with 2783 divided by 253. So if you divide, you get 1 time 253. So remainder will be 8 minus, it is 5, then it is 2, and then 3, it goes again 1 time, it is 253, that will be 0. So your x value will be 11. Then what will be y again you will be doing the same thing. You will divide, that is 253 divided by 11, it is 11 twos are 22, remainder is 33, then 11 threes are 33. So it is again the answer is 20, z will be 23. Now what is the answer here? What will be the value of x? So what's the value of x? The value of x is 13915. Then what is the next question? What is the value of y? Y will be what? Y will be 11. Then what is the value of z? Z will be 23. So next one we have, according to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 19315 is a composite number. Yeah, it is a composite number because it will be, when you multiply, that is when you are multiplying the terms, yeah, that is 2783 into 5. So this is 2783 into 5 gives you 13915. That means it is a composite number. It is a multiple of 5. It is a composite number. Then the prime factor of 13915.
The
What will be
answer
the prime factor?
as
13915, and here x was, y was 5 11, and z was 23. So here they are asking you to find the factor of the given number, that is 13915. So what will be the factor? Factor will be 5 11 11 and 23. So yeah, we can write that as 5 11 square and 23. 11 square and 20. That is your answer C. So the prime factorization of 13915 is 5 into 11 square into 23. Then moving with the next question, we have polynomial case study. Case study 1. The below picture are view the below picture are few natural examples of parabola shape which is represented by a quadratic polynomial. A parabola arch is an arch in a shape of parabola in a structure there in a structure. Their curve represents an efficient method of load and so can be found in bridges and in architecture in a variety of forms. So you can see here we might have found in many of our places that the bridges are made of this parabola shape, and here even in the park you can see some designs and even some caves which they have made in the shape of parabola. Okay, so yeah, what is the question is, so this all the design of a building arc, the building constructions, the bridges are all made up of a parabola shape. Okay, so now what is our question? In the standard form of quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, a comma b comma c are what? What will be a comma b comma c? So a comma b comma c will be, we can see here, a is all are real numbers. It cannot be real numbers. All are rational numbers. No, it's not possible to be rational number. A is a non-zero real number. A is non-zero real number means A should not be equal to 0. If A becomes 0, the equation changes to bx plus c, which is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomials. So The condition is a should not be equal to 0. That is, a is non-zero real number and b and c are any real number. It can be any real number, that is fraction, rational number, it can be integer, anything. But it can be b and c can be any real number. But a should be non-zero. So the option is C. Then the next question is, if if the root of quadratic polynomial are equal, where the discriminant d is b square minus 4ac, then what is the condition? D is greater than 0. What will be that? D is greater than 0. So yeah, the d value will be equal to 0 when the roots are equal. If a d discriminant value is 0, then the roots are real. Okay, so yeah, next one you have, if alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then what is the value of k? So how do you find this? They have given two values, alpha and 1 by alpha, and they have given the equation 2x square minus x plus 8k. So now we have to find the value of k. So how do we find the value of k? So here, what is a? A is 2. A will be the coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x, that is minus 1. And C is coefficient of the last term, C. That is coefficient, that full term we have to take C. That is a constant. So it will be 8k plus 8k. Now we have a formula, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. We have product of the zeros, that is alpha into 1 by alpha equals. The formula is C by A. So this alpha and alpha get cancelled. 1 equals C is 8k, A is 2. So 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So 1 equals 4k. That means multiplication term, when it goes at the side, becomes division. So k will be 1 by 4. So the k value is 1 by 4. B, option B. Moving with the next question, we have the graph of x square plus 1 equals 0. When x square plus 1 equals 0, intersecting x-axis at two distinct points, the graph intersects at x at two distinct points, touch x-axis at a point, nothing, neither touches nor intersect at x x axis, either touches or intersects at x axis. So yeah, the graph is given as x square plus 1 equals 0. So x square will be minus 1. Minus 1 is a complex number. So for complex number, we cannot draw the graph. So here, it can neither touch nor intersect at x is the answer. So next one, you have, if the sum of the root is minus p and product of the root is 1 minus 1 by p, then the quadratic polynomial is, so here they have given the sum of the root is, minus p, and the product of the root is, it says minus 1 by p. So now we have a formula, it says x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equals 0. When they give you sum of the root and product of the root, we can use this formula to find the answer. So now x square minus sum of the root is minus p into x, then plus product of the root is minus 1 by p equals 0. So yeah, it is x square minus into minus will be plus px plus into minus is minus, 1 by p equals 0. So yeah, you can see in which value do we have this answer, x square minus x square plus px plus 1 minus p. So here the option is C. C will be your answer. Then moving on with the next question, we have case study 2. Yes, case study 2. And asana is a body posture, originally and still a general term for a sitting meditation pose, and later extended in hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any type of the pose or position, adding rela- relaying, standing, inverted, twisting, and balancing pose. In this figure, one can observe that poses can be related to representation of quadratic equation. So these are some poses which they have given. We can see here the pose here, it's in the form of parabola. Now it's in the form of parabola. So here it is in the form of parabola. So yeah, it can be different poses gives a different shape of the diagram. So yeah, the shape of the pose shows is which type of, it is parabola. Then next one, the graph of parabola opens downwards if the condition, what will be the condition, whenever a is less than 0, negative value, a is less than 0, the parabola will be downwards. Then a graph, in a graph how many zeros are there for the polynomial? So we have here it is 1 and here it is 2. So here we have two zeros. We'll be checking for x-axis. So in x-axis we have two zeros. So the two zeros in the above graph are, what are the two zeros? It is minus 2 and 4. It is minus 2 and 4, that is B. And here we have only two zeros. Then next one, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 are. So what are the roots of the polynomial? So find the roots of the polynomial. We have a formula, that is x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now what will be this? A will be the first term. A is the 4 root 3. B will be the second term of the equation, that is 5. And C will be the third term, that will be minus 2 root 3. So now here we'll use the formula and try to find the answer. So here we have conditions are there. They have first condition, it says when the discriminant value is greater than 0, that is when d is greater than 0, roots are roots are real, real and distinct. Then second one, it says b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it says d is equal to 0, roots are equal and it has exactly one root, one real root. So roots are real and equal here. Then in third one we have condition b square minus 4ac is less than 0, or root d is, that implies d is less than 0, or roots are imaginary, its negative values and complex. So now they have given us, we'll use the formula to simplify and get the answer. So we have x equals minus b is minus 5 plus or minus root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 into a is 4 root 3, then b c is minus 2 root 3 divided by 2a, 2 into 4 root 3. So now x is equals to minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus into minus, this minus and this minus multiply, plus 4 fours are 16, 16 into 2 is 32, 32 root 2 into root 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So into 3 divided by 4 twos are 8 root 3. Then it can be written as x equals minus 5 plus or minus root of. So if you multiply 32 into 3 is 96, 25 plus 96, 25 plus 96 will be how much? It will be 121 divided by 8 root 3. So now that will be x will be minus 5 plus or minus 11 divided by 8 root 3. If you separate them, so we get x equals minus 5 plus 11, 8 root 3. If you take, it will give you that is 6 divided by 8 root 3. That is nothing but 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are. Then we can write this as, root 3 into root 3. Any number can be written in the product of surds divided by 4. So root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. The answer will be root 3 divided by 4. First one for positive value. If you take it for negative value, if you do it for negative, we get x equals minus 5 minus 11 divided by 8 root 3. Certainly x will be minus 16 divided by 8 root 3. 8 one time, 8 two times. Certainly x is equals to minus 2 by root 3. So this will be the second answer. So you have answer as, your option answer will be minus 2 root 3, 3 root, that is D, and option D will be the answer. Moving on with the next question, D3. Basketball and soccer are played with a spherical ball. Spherical ball is nothing but in this shape. You might have seen the ball. The ball will be. Even though a athletic dipples the ball in both sports. A basketball player uses his hands and a soccer player uses his feet. Usually, soccer is a player played outdoor on a large field, and basketball is played indoor on a court made out of wood. The projectile path trade of a soccer ball and a basketball are in the form of parabola representing the quadratic polynomial. So you can see here we have both there. So here it's in the form of parabola, which is been shown, and here also the player has to hit in the form of parabola. Arrangement of the soccer and the basketball is both in the form of quadratic polynomial, that is in the form of parabola. So now they are asking you the shape of the path trade shown in the diagram shown is which one? It is a parabola. Then the graph of a parabola opens upward. If opens upward. When it is opening upward, it will open upward when a is less than 0. Then next one is, observe the following graph and answer. So in the above graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? So in this we can see we have 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. that is -3, -1 and 2. So here we have 3 zeros. Here we have 3 zeros. The 3 zeros are minus polynomial. What will be the expression? So to find the expression of the 3 root, we have a formula p of x equals a into x minus r1 into x minus r2 into x minus r3. r1, r2, r3 are the roots of the polynomial. So here r1 is -3, r2 is -1 and r is 2. And a is the coefficient of x squared, that will be 1. So yeah, p of x will be a into, that is 1 into, that will be 1 into x minus of -3, then x minus of -1, then x it is -2. So yeah, it will be x plus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. So expanding this 2, we get x square plus 3x plus x into x, x square plus 3x, then plus 1x plus 3 ones are 3. Then it is x minus 2. Then it is x square plus 4x plus 3 into x minus 2. So again multiply with x with the whole term, x square plus 4x plus 3. Then taking the second term, multiply -2 into x square plus 4x plus 3. So now you get x into x will be x cube, x into 4x will be 4x square plus x into 3 will be 3x minus 2 into x square is 2x square, minus into plus is minus, 2 fours are 8x, minus into plus is minus, 2 threes are 6. So it will be x cube minus plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2x square, then plus 3 minus 8 is minus 5x, then it is plus 6. So the answer is B, x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is the answer for the given question. So yeah, moving with the next one, we have linear equation in two variables. So linear equation of two variable is nothing but we'll be having x and y values in the equation. Two variable is x and y are the two different variable in the equation. So yeah, case 1 of linear equation. So what's the case 1? It says a test contains of true or false questions. 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer, while 1.5 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. A student knew answers to some of these questions. Rest of the questions he attempted by guessing. He answered 120 questions and got 90 marks. So this is the case study of a student attending the test competitive exam where you have true or false. If the answers are true, it is 1 mark, and if the answers are false, it is half mark. They have given in the following table. It is explained type of the question will be true or false. Marks will be correct if marks given for the correct answer will be 1. If marks deducted for the wrong answer will be 0.25. That 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. That is 22 by 100 will be nothing but 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 quarter. So now quarter marks will be reduced. Now they are asking you some questions. In the answer, if answer to all questions, if answer to all questions is attempted by guessing were wrong, then how many questions did he answered correctly? So here they have given 1 mark for the correct answer and half quarter for that will be subtracted for the each answer. So yeah, it is for 120 questions, and there are 120 questions, and 60 marks has been 90 marks he has scored. Okay, so it is a questions and 90 marks he has scored. So now what we have to do, we'll take like let number of questions answered known to the student. He knows the answer is how much. Let us consider x. We don't know how many he has answered. questions attempted questions attempted by cheating. By. So now when he is answering, it is x plus y is equals to 120. So his code is x minus 1 by 4 y equals 190. So he scored wrong answers. He answered, and some questions he know and some question he answered wrong. So that was 1 by quarter y is equals to 90. So now if you simplify this, we get, change the sign. So this will get cancelled. You have 1 plus 1 by 4y equals 120 minus 90 is 30. So here if you take LCM, it is 4 plus 1 by 4 y equals 30. So 5 by 4 y equals 30. So this taking other side, it will reciprocate 30 into 4 by 5. So 5 one time, 5 6 are 40. 5 6 are 30. Y will be 6 4s are 24. So the value of y is 24. So now find the value of x. X plus y is 120. So x will be 120 minus 24. That is nothing but x is 96. So the student, he knows the answers were 96 questions, and he attended questions with wrong were 24. That is 24 by 2 by 4. Certainly he cheated is 24 questions. Okay. So now next, what is that they asking you to find answer here? The question is, he if answer to all questions he attempted by guessing were wrong. How many questions he attended? He attended 96 questions. 96 questions. Then second one, he attempted how many questions he had guessed. He has guessed how many questions? He guessed for 24 questions. Then if answer to the question he attempted by guessing were wrong and answered 80 correctly, then how many marks he got? So the next, that is for third question. The third question says, goes like this. So yeah, if answer to the question that marks obtained only 80 is correct questions, minus 1 by quarter of 40 marks he got. So it will be 80 minus 1 by 4 into 40. 4 1 time, 4 10 times. That will be 80 minus 10. That will be 70. So the marks he obtained was 70 marks when he answered 80 questions, and all the remaining were guessing. That is wrong answers. Then next one is, if answer to all questions he attempted by guessing were wrong, then how many questions answered correctly to score 95 marks? So yeah, the next question is fourth one. This is third one. Marks obtained. Okay. Then a fourth one says, fourth question says, x minus 1 by 4 of 120 questions minus x, how much he has answered, is 95. So yeah, answer, if answer of the question he attempted is guessing were wrong, so 1 by 4 of 120 minus he guessed, that is minus x, then how much questions answered correctly to score 95? So score 95 marks. So yeah, it will be x minus 1 by 4 times of 120 minus x is equals to 95. So x minus 120 by 4, minus into minus will be plus x by 4 is equals to 95. So now this is 4 1 time, 4 3 30. So x plus x by 4 is 95 plus 30. Certainly, if you take LCM, same, if you multiply and divide, it will be 4x plus 1x will be 5x divided by 4 is 95 plus 30 is 125. So now 5x minus 4 is 125. 5x will be 125 into 4. That is nothing but here x will be 125 into 4 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 carry 5 fives are 25. So x will be 25 into 4. So x will be 100. So yeah, the answer is 100. So how many questions he attended? It was 100. If all of the questions he attempted by guessing were wrong, then how many questions answered correctly to score 95? He has 100 questions. Okay. Then this moving with the next question, we have case 2. Case 2 says Amit is planning to buy a house and the layout is given below. The design and the measurement had been made such that area of two bedrooms and kitchens together is 95. So two bedroom and kitchen together is 95 square meters. So yeah, what is there? They've given Sela. Uh, okay. So now we will take, yeah, first one. Form the pair of linear equation in two variable from the situation. So here we have area of two bedrooms. Area of two bedrooms equals 10 into 10 x square meters. Then area of kitchen is 5y square meter. Now bedroom is h, x, and this is y. That is bedroom is how much? Yeah, it is 15. So yeah, it will be 10x. Two bedrooms will be, each one will be 5, 5 meter, 5 meters. So it will be 5 into 2 will be 10 meters. So yeah, we have the equation 10x plus 5y will give us 95. So we don't know, this is x. Okay, so it is here x, so it is given here together, they are making 95. So it is 10x square meter and kitchen is 5y square meter. So it will be 10x plus 5y is equals to 95 will be the equation of the, that will be 10x plus 5y equals 95. Then second one, it gives find the length of the outer boundary of the layout. So what is the outer boundary of the layout? Outer boundary will be, here we have x, outer boundary is x plus 2 plus y. x plus 2 plus y equals 15. Here it is given 15. We are just comparing both the length. So x plus y will be 15 minus 2. So x plus y will be 13. So the length is x plus y equals 13. That will be your second answer. X plus y equals 13. Then third one, it says find the area of each bedroom and kitchen in the layout. So here we have to find each bedroom, and so here it is, if you take, we have first one, it is 10x plus 5y is 95. Then x plus y is 13. Just simplify these two equations, we get the answer. Certainly, x plus 5y equals 95. Divide by 5, we get 2x plus y equals 19. Then the second equation we have is x plus y equals 13. So change the sign. By changing the sign, we get minus, minus, minus. So y will get cancelled. It is x is 6. So y will be x plus y is 13. So 6 plus y is 13. So y will be 13 minus 6. So y will be 7. Y will be 7. Now we want to find the they're asking you to find the area of each bedroom and kitchen. So yeah, area of bedroom is 5 into x, that is 6. 5 6 are 30. So each bedroom is 30 square centimeter. Then area of kitchen was 5 into y was 7. 5 sevens are 35, that is square centimeter. So area of a bedroom is 30 square centimeter and area of kitchen is 35 square centimeter. Find the area of living room in the living room. This is for third one. Then fourth one is area of living room. Area of living room will be area of rectangle minus area of one bedroom. That will be length into breadth minus 30. So here length into breadth, that is length into breadth, area is 15 minus, so that will be 15 into 7 minus 30. So that will be 105 minus 30 will be 75 square meter. So area of a living room is 75 square centimeter. Now it says find the cost of laying tiles in kitchen at the rate of rupees 50 per square centimeter. So the area of kitchen is 35. So is asking you to find the cost of the area if it is 50. So area of the kitchen is area of kitchen kitchen is 35 square meter. So tiles per square feet is rupees 50. So yeah, the cost of placing tiles in kitchen equals 35 into 50, that is 1750. So rupees 1750. So yeah, the next question is case study 3 for quadratic, like linear equations. It is common that government revise travel fare from time to time based on the various factors such as inflation, a general increase in price and fall in the purchasing values of money on different types of vehicles like auto, rickshaw, taxi, radio, cab, etc. The auto charges in the city compare of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Study the following situations. So auto and cab taxi. So here in city A, travel 10 kilometer amount is 75, 15 kilometer 110. For city B, it is 8 kilometer 91 rupees and 14 kilometer 145 rupees. Now they've given some situations. So yeah, the situation is uh, situation 1. In case A, for a journey of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 75, and for journey 15 kilometer, the charge paid is 110 kilometer. 110. In situation 2, in a city B, for a journey of 8 kilometer, the charge paid is 91, and for the journey of 14, it is 145. The water they've given, we are just writing in the form of statement. Okay. So now, according to this, refer the situation 1. We have to see the 1 and write the answer. If the fixed charge of the auto rickshaw be x and running charges of will be y kilometer per hour, the pair of linear equation representing the situation is. So yeah, what is the we'll have actually the first one is x plus 10y 10y is 75. Then the second one is x plus it is 15, y is 110. So here it is option B. Then next one, a person travels a distance of 50 kilometer, the amount he paid is. So yeah, you have x plus 15y is 110, then x plus 10y is 75. So change the sign, find the answer. 5y is 35, so y will be 7. So y is 7, what will be x value? X plus 10y is 75. So x will be x plus 10 into 7 is 70 equals 75. So x equals 5. Now they've given in the question it is 50 kilometers. Certainly x plus 50y. That will be x is 5 plus 50 into 7. Sin 5 is 35. So it will be 350 plus 5 is 355. So that amount is 355. Then what will be the person have to pay for the traveling a distance of 30 kilometer? So if he's traveling for 30 kilometer, what will be the situation 2? We have to take the situation 2. So in situation 2, what happens? It is they've given x plus 8y is 91. The second case is x plus 14y is 145. So now if you subtract them, we get minus minus minus. So it will get cancelled. Here it is minus 6y equals minus 54. Minus will get cancelled. Y will be 9. So x will be x plus 8y is 91. So x will be x plus 8 into 9 is 8 nines it is 72. 72 equals 91. X will be 91 minus 72. So x value is 19. So here it is given x plus 30 kilometer. We should find x is 19 plus 30 into 9. 30y. So 30 into 9. So it will be 19 plus 270. That will be 289. So the answer is 289. Then next question is, the graph of the line represents the conditions are in the situation will be the third one. The situation will be, here we have 19 and 9. We got the answers 19 and 5. 19 and 5. Then a Raj car travels at a speed of x kilometer per hour while Ajay's car travels 5 kilometer per hour faster than Raj car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey of the 400 kilometer. So yeah, it says let we'll assume that let Raj car speed is x kilometer per hour and Ajay's car speed is 5 kilometer, that is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. X plus 5 kilometer per hour. More than Raj 5 kilometer. So to say x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Then distance traveled traveled distance traveled by Ajay by Raj is by Raj is 4 hours more than Ajay. More than Ajay. So yeah, distance formula is time is distance by speed. Distance by speed. Or we can write speed equals distance into time. So yeah, they've given. Now let us take time taken time taken by Raj will be 400 divided by x, that is distance by speed. So now time taken by Ajay is 400 divided by x plus 5. So here this says here it is 400 kilometers, right? Then in the according to the condition they've given, it travels 4 hours more than the Ajay. Raj car distance traveled by Raj car is 4 hours more than the Ajay. So here according to the question we have 400 divided by x equals 400 by x plus 5 Ajay plus 4. So the distance traveled by Raj will be 4 more than the distance traveled by Ajay is the equation. Now according to this, what will be the distance covered by Ajay's car in 2 hours? So in 2 hours, that will be distance is speed into time. So time is 2 hours and speed of Ajay car is x plus 5. So it will be 2 into x plus 5 kilometer. That is option A. Then second one, which of the following quadratic equation describes the speed of the Raj car? So yeah, the quadratic equation which is yeah, just simplify this. It will make the same equation by multiplying and dividing the denominator. Make a common denominator, that is we get 400 x equals 400 plus 4 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. So yeah, it will be 400 by x equals 400 plus 4x plus 20. We are just multiplying 4 into x, 4x plus 20. Then x plus 5, cross multiplication. So we get 400 into x plus 5 equals x into 400 plus 4x plus 20. So removing the bracket we get 400x plus for 5s are 20, that is 2000 equals 400x plus 4x square plus 20x. So multiplying x to the all the terms. So we get 400x cancel. So we get 4x square plus 20x plus 2000 equals 0. Divide by 4. So we get x square plus 4 5s are 20 plus 4 5s are 20, 500 equals 0. So yeah, we have the equation as so yeah, it will be minus 20, that will be minus 500, that will be C option C. So now, what is the speed of a Raj car? So to find the speed of the Raj car, what we have to do? We have to find the values of this quadratic equation. So find the factor for this. Factor for 500. So what will be the factor for 500? 500 will go in 25, 20, 20. So 25 2 is 50 and that's 0. So 25 plus and then this is minus. Certainly x plus 25 and x minus 20 equals 0. So x value will be minus 25, x value will be 20. So we'll not take negative value. So the answer is 20. What is the speed of the Raj car? The speed of the Raj car will be 20 kilometers per hour. That is option A. Now, how much time took Raj to travel for a 40 kilometer? So now we have to find the fourth one is 20 kilometers per hour, or you can even take this for Raj. You can even calculate as speed of a Raj, speed of Raj car. Raj car is speed is distance by time. So here distance is 400, time taken is 20. So 0 cancel, 2 one time, 2 20 times. So it is 20 kilometer per hour. Then fourth one is Ajay travel 400 kilometer. That can be, we have to calculate the time. What is the time traveled? So that time is time equals distance by speed. Here distance is 400, then speed is 20 plus 5 plus x. X is 5, x here the value 20, that is x plus 20, 5 plus x, that is 5 x plus 5, that is 400 divided by x is 20, 20 plus 5, that will be 400 divided by 25, that is nothing but 20, that is not 20, it is 16 hours. So he takes 16 hours to travel. That is the option. So moving on to the next case, we have the speed of the motorboat is 20 kilometer per hour. For covering the distance of 15 kilometer, the boat took 1 hour. More for upward stream than downward stream. We can find whenever we are motorbike is moving to the upstream, the speed reduces, right? Certainly negative because it needs pressure to move on the upflow. So here it is given, we can take speed of the motorbike. So we'll write, so yeah, speed of motor boat is 20 kilometer per hour. Then they've given distance traveled is 15 kilometers. 15 kilometer. Then upward upstream upstream 1 hour 1 hour less than 1 hour more upstream is 1 hour more than, as usual, for the 1 hour more than the downstream. So it is a 1 hour more than this downstream. So now they've given some questions. Yeah, first one, let the speed of the stream be x, the speed of the motor boat is upstream will be, so it will be what, it will be we have to minus the stream with the that is 20 minus x kilometer per hour, because it will be negative when it is moving in the upward direction. The speed will decrease, so it will be minus x. Then second question, it says, what will be the relation between distance time and distance speed time? Okay, so speed is equals to distance by time. Then next one is, which is the correct equation for the speed of the current? So speed of the current will be, we'll just take for third one, the speed of the time speed of the boat in the, let the speed of the stream be x. Let us take speed of the steam boat boat stream will be x kilometer per hour. So yeah, speed of the boat downstream will be x plus 20 kilometer per hour. Then upstream speed of the boat upstream will be 20 minus x kilometer per hour. Now time downstream stream will be 15 by 20 minus x hours, and time for upstream will be 15 divided by, this will be plus downstream, minus will be for upstream, minus hours. Now if the time taken is 1 hour more than the 1 hour more, then the time taken to downstream can be written as 15 by 20 minus x equals 15 by 20 plus x downstream plus 1. So now again taking multiplying and dividing with the same term, taking the same LCM, we get 20 minus x into 15 equals 15 plus 20 plus x divided by 20 plus x. So cross multiplication, 15 into 20 plus x equals x plus 35 into 20 minus x. So now if you simplify we get 15 is 30 plus 15x equals 20 into x is 20x plus 700, then it will be minus x into x will be x square minus 35x. So it will be 300 plus 15x minus 20x minus 700 plus x square plus 35x equals 0. So x square will be x square 20 30 30 40 50 minus 20 will be 30x. Then for 700 minus 300 will be 400, minus 400 equals 0. So the equation will be x square plus 30x minus 400 equals 0. Then what is the speed of this? So we have to find the factor to find the speed. 400. What is the factor of 400? It will go 20. 40 into 10. 400. 40 tens are 400. Then it will be plus, bigger number will be plus, enter sign. And this is minus. So it will be x plus 40, x minus 40. X minus 10 equals 0. So x will be minus 40 and x will be plus 10. It will be 10. So we will not take negative value. So x value will be 10. So it will take 10 kilometer per hour. Then moving on with the next question, and that is how much time boat took in downstream. So downstream is how much we have, that is time taken. Time is 15 divided by 20, down plus is x. So we got x value is how much, 10. So it will be 20 plus 10. So it will be 15 divided by 30. So 15 one time, 15 two times. So that will be 1 by 2 is nothing but 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So yeah, it's 30 minutes. Then next question is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression case study 1, it says that India is a competitive manufacturing location due to the low cost of manpower and strong technology and engineering capabilities, contributing to higher quality production runs. The production of TV set in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. If it produces 16,000 set in 6 years and 22,600 in 9 years. So we have to find the values for the given question. So here they have given. So according to this question, what is the terms? What are the things they have given? It's here they have given. Here it is A6, that is sixth year. It is giving that is sixth year. It is giving 16,000 set, and in ninth year it is giving 22,000 sets. So now let me take A6 can be written as A plus 5D, and A9 can be written as A plus 8D, one less than the number what we have in the question. So it will become A plus 5D equals 16,000, then A plus 8D equals 22,600. So if you take and find the values for this, A will get cancelled. Certainly 3D equals 600 and 6,600. So D will be 2,200. Then what will be A? A plus 8D or 5D? A plus 5D equals 16,000. So A plus 5 into D is 22,000 equals 16,000. So yeah, we can find A plus 22 will be multiplied, it will be 11,000 equals 16,000. So A will be 16,000 minus 11,000 will be 5,000. So A will be 5,000. So D is 2,200 and A is 5,000. Okay. So now the questions are, find the product of the first year. First year is 5,000. We have already found first year is 5,000. A is nothing but first year. The production is 5,000. Then the second year is find the production in eighth year. Eighth year will be A plus 70. A8 will be A plus 70. That is A is 5,000 plus 7 into D is 22,000. 22,200. That is nothing but 5,000 plus 4,400. No, 5,000 plus 15,000. 5,000 plus 15,400 will give us 9,400. 20,400. 20,400. Then for 3 years it is A3 will be A plus 2D. That will be A is 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 2 into 2,200. That will be 5,000 plus 44, that is 4,400. That will be 9,400. So next one will be 9400. Then next one is, in which year the production will be 29,200. So for fourth one it is 1200. So here AN is given as 29,200. So A we know A is 5,000 and D we know D is 2,200. So yeah, we have to find n value. So AN will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So here AN is 29,200 equals A is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2,200. So here 29,200 minus 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 2,200. So here if you subtract, it will come 4,200 equals n minus 1 into 2,200. So n minus 1 will be 24,200 divided by 22,200. So the zeros and zeros will get cancelled. 22 ones are 22 ones are again here 22 ones are. So n minus 1 will be 11. So n will be 11 plus 1, that will be 11, n will be 12. So in 12th year the production will be 29,200. Then moving with the last one, find the difference of the product 7th year and 4th year. So A7 will be A7 minus A4. We have to find, that will be A plus 60 minus A minus that will be A plus 60 minus A plus 3D. That will be A plus 60 minus A minus 3D. That will be A and A will get cancelled. Certainly 60 minus 3D will be 3D. So that will be 3 into 22,200, 2,200. So that will be 6,600. 6,600 will be the answer for fifth one. So yeah, the next case 2 is, four friends. Veer wants your friend Veer wants to participate in 20-meter race. He can currently run with a distance 51 seconds, and with the each day of practice it takes him 2 seconds less. He wants to do it in 31 days. So how many times it takes? So what will be the sequence they've given? His starting day is 21, 51, and 2 minus 51 minus 2 is 49, 49 minus 2 is 70, 47. So it is the sequence is C, that is B. The next one is, which is the minimum number of days he needs to participate till his goal is achieved. So yeah, Italy, his goal is achieved. So Italy, second one, it will if you take that is an equals an an equals a plus n minus 1 into D, a plus n minus 1 into D, an equals. Okay, so here we have an is he has 31 days the last day which you want to achieve. 51 will be your A, and n we don't know, n minus 1. D is 51 minus 49 minus 51, that will be minus 2. So D will be minus 2. So yeah, D will be minus 2. So it will be 31 minus 51 equals n minus 1 into minus 2. So 51 will be 20 minus 20 equals n minus 1 into minus 2. So that will be n minus 1 will be minus 20 divided by minus 2. So minus and minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 10 times. So n minus 1 is 10. So n will be 10 plus 1. So n will be 11. So in how many days he'll achieve? He'll achieve it in 11 days. So next one is, which of the following term is not in an AP? So the AP, you can see it is in the form of odd numbers. So here 30 is even number, so the answer cannot be even here. When you add odd number with the even, we get it odd number itself. So yeah, the answer is 30. It is an even number, so we'll not get the even number in the sequence. Then next one is if nth term of an AP is, so they've given nth term of an AP is an equals 2n plus 3. Then find the common difference. That is, what is common difference? If take n is equals to 1, we get a1 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 3. That will be 2 plus 3 will be 5. So a1 is 5. Then n is equals to 2, we can take a2 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3. That will be 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So a2 is equals to 7. Now what is d? D is a2 minus a1. So that will be 7 minus 5, that will be 2. So yeah, the answer is 2. Then next one is the values of x. The values of, find the value of x if x 2x into x plus 10 plus 3x plus 2 are in a consecutive terms of an AP. So consecutive terms of an AP is, so we can find in this way, that is a, that is a minus d and a plus d. Okay, so we can take this as, or we can do it in this way, find a d1. D1 will be a2 minus a1. This will be a1, a2, a3. So it will be a2 is x plus 10 minus of 2x, d1. Then d2 will be a3 minus a1, a2. So a3 is 3x plus 2 minus of x plus 10. So it will be 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. So that will be 2x minus 8. So now we know that common ratios will be same in the AP. So d1 is equals to d2. That will be here it will be 10 minus x. So it will be 10 minus x equals 2x minus 8. So this x goes here and 8 comes here, to become 18 equals 3x. So x will be 18 by 3. So x will be 6. So the value is 6. So moving with the next question, we have case study 3. Your elder brother wants to buy a car and plans to take a loan from a bank for his car. He repays his total loan of 1,18,000 by paying every month starting with the installment 1,000. If he increases the installment by rupees 100 every month, answer the following. So here, what are the terms they have given here? 1,000. Then the starting, that is the sequence will be, AP will be 1,000. Then every month it is increasing 1,100, 1,200 and so on. So this is the given sequence. Okay. So what does that mean? A is 1,000 and D is 100. Okay. So now we will find the values for the given terms. The amount paid by him in the 30 installment. So 30 installment is what? A30 will be A plus 29D. So A is how much? A we got it as 1,000. Then D is 100. So yeah, it will be 1,000 plus 29, 2,900. So it will be 3,900 will be the amount paid in 30th installment. Then next one you have the amount paid by him in 30 installment is, the amount paid by him in the 30 installments. How much is the total amount? Means SN we have to find. 30 installment, A30. So 30 is equals to S30. So we find S30. The amount S30 will be N by 2 A plus AN. So A30, the 30 by 2 into A will be 1,000 plus AN is 3,900. So that is, this will go 15 times. So it will be 15 into 1,000, 4,900. So when you multiply, you get 73,900. 73,500. So the answer is 73,500. So the next one is, what amount does he still has to pay in 30th installment? So to find the total amount which is balance is total amount and installment which is paid 38th installment. So total amount is 1,18,000 minus here 73,500. If you do subtraction, we get 44,500. So the amount which you should pay is 44,500. Then the total installments are 40. Then paid in the last installment. Total installment is 40. Then 40, the total installments are 40. Then amount paid in the last installment only 40, total installment, that is 40, 100, that is A40 will be A plus 39D. So 1000 plus 39 into 100. Certainly A40 will be 1000 plus 3900, that will be A40 will be 4900. So the answer is 4900. So yeah, next one is the ratio of first installment and the last installment. First installment was how much? First installment was 1000 and the last installment was 4900. So the ratio will be divided by 49 400. The zeros will get cancelled. That will be 10 is to 49 is the answer. So it is B.